you, my name's Dale and this is Dale's Addiction. Today, whoa, in this video I am going to share with you a reveal of a new bag. No, I haven't lost 10 kilos and I couldn't wait. I broke the rules. Sorry. So for those of you who saw the video that I did quite recently where I picked the 5 luxury bags that I would buy if I had to start again from scratch, which was inspired by Cassie Thorpe's video. As I was researching for that video, I actually discovered a bag that I really, really liked that I was unaware of and very late to the party of. So I wonder if you can guess which bag that was, because I'm about to reveal it to you. Look at this. So I purchased this bag. I am not going to say it was, well, I have to say it was pre-loved. I've bought it secondhand because it wasn't from the boutique. However, when I unboxed this bag from the person I bought it from eBay, it came complete with the shopping bag, and this was wrapped around the box. Now, I will hide the person's details, but it even has the courier number on it from when Louis Vuitton couriered it to her home. She wrapped it up absolutely beautifully. And this was an eBay purchase. So if you have seen my video collaboration with Amelia Rose, aka Princess Lux Love, I will link it above and down below, but we talk about buying and selling and different platforms, and eBay is one of the scary ones. So I'm going to take you through what I did to ensure that this was a great purchase. Anyway, as you can see, I got this bag with a full set. It was the only bag listed on eBay and I couldn't find it on any of the second-hand retail sites. Fashionphile, Vestiaire, Farfetch, and then the resellers that I'm familiar with here in Australia. I reached out to my sales associates at Louis Vuitton. They said they couldn't access it. I called client services. They couldn't access it. I contacted my personal shopper who has contacts all over Europe and France. They couldn't get hold of it. So, yeah, I don't know how I missed it, but I did. But now I haven't. So let me just show you. Okay, it's only an itty bitty box and an itty bitty bag. Any guesses? So in here I have actually got the original receipt, and I'm just going to check. Yeah, I've got the original receipt. So this bag was purchased on the 19th of June 2020 at their Louis Vuitton Chadstone store. So I've got the original receipt here, which is fantastic. Now, one of the things that look at that. The item number is on the back of the bag. Don't look at that. Wow, this has got everything. One of the things that I require when I buy pre-loved is full set. It makes me feel really confident about the purchase. So here we go. Are you ready? Oh God, it's so cute. I fell in love with Louis Vuitton's tambourine bag. How stunning. This was the reimagined tambourine. And it was released, I'm pretty sure, in 2020. Sorry, I'm just a little bit... It feels so nice. It's in beautiful, beautiful condition. I'm just checking the stitches. You know, there's dead giveaways of Louis Vuitton counterfeit bags, but obviously I've got the receipt there, so I'm not, needing to check, but you get the double stitch. Wow. Okay, sorry, I forgot you were there. This is the tambourine. This little beauty. There is not much around on YouTube in relation to this bag. I love it because of its beautiful shape. Wow. What a stunner. Okay, so let me just take a moment It's mine. Okay, I'm prepared to share now. I was searching for a monogram bag on Louis Vuitton's website to form one of my 5 luxury handbags if I had to start my collection again, and it had to be available today. Now, this was out of stock, and I had no idea that it was nowhere to be found. It's still on the Louis Vuitton website, but I couldn't get hold of it, and I fell in love with it as soon as I saw it. So, as I said, it's a reimagining of the original tambourine bag, and if I can find some pictures, I'll include them here. It has this pre-aged vachetta or vaquetta, so it's not going to mark as quickly as perhaps it would if it was blonde. It feels so soft. It is so soft and beautiful and supple. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different adjustments here, and you literally just pass it through. It's not a detachable strap, but you just pass it through the buckle on the other side, like that, and it's quite a nice wide comfy strap as well. I cannot wait to try this on. Now you can see up close here there is this double layered tab, and it doesn't stick to the bag, and that potentially could be a problem, but you know, we'll see. It's got the beautiful raised Louis Vuitton logo in gold hardware there, and it does have a buckle. This is not a fake buckle, and so that might get a little bit annoying, but the flap is quite long, so I might not have to buckle it up all the time. You can see there is the vachette piping all the way around the bag as well, and if you could feel this, I think you can see it, but if you could feel it, it just feels super luxurious. It's a beautiful little bag. Okay, I'm going to open it up. It's pretty easy to open. So there we go. Inside, it's lined in like a red. I imagine this is like how some of the damier are bean bags. So it's like a suede or a microfiber lining, if you can kind of catch the texture of that. How lovely is that? And then there's literally just one compartment and a slip pocket. And I've got some more goodies in here. Now this one is made in Italy, and the date code is in the pocket, which I had a photo of. The date code is PL1290, so it's from the 19th week 2020. So we've got the little care booklet here. Oh wow, okay. I also got the little fabric card and the item tag, so I'll pop that up there. You can pause that if you want to look for this bag. It's the tambourine in monogram M44860. So hopefully you are able to grab hold of that QR code as well. I've never had an LV bag with all of these things included. I usually don't get that product code included, and the receipt, everything. Wow. So yeah, that's my Louis Vuitton tambourine bag. Super hard to find. So glad I chased it. As I said, I bought this on eBay from a trusted eBay seller. I did my homework. I chased up the authenticity, and the asking price of this bag on the Louis Vuitton website is 2,750 Australian dollars, so 2,750 Australian dollars. I paid 3,100 Australian dollars for this bag. That's what I would have paid if I had have gone through a personal shopper to find it, if they could have found it for me. This is practically a brand new bag. There are 0 blemishes on this bag. It's stunning. It's beautiful. Look at it. Look at how beautiful it is. Okay, let's do some mod shots. Let's do a quick what fits inside. Obviously, I will do a first impressions for this bag once I get to use it a little bit, but I did shortlist this bag against the Boit Chapeau Supplé in the PM size. I'll insert a picture of that here, but it is the round bag, kind of like my hard-sided luggage, except a softer version. And in my research, that bag does not fit a plus-sized iPhone, and that's the size iPhone that I have. Neither does my little hard-sided luggage piece either, but, you know. But this bag, on the couple of YouTube videos I found, does. So, let's just see. Here's the decider. So, I've got my spare phone here. This is an iPhone XS Max, so the large iPhone 10. And I don't have the case on it, but even if I did, it would fit quite easily in there. Now, it's not a roomy bag because it has this, you know, semicircular shape. There's probably about an inch on the bottom underneath the phone where you could put things. So I am going to put a lipstick, and I'm just going to put it in underneath there because it's going to slip in underneath the phone. My car fob, I've got keyless entry, so I don't need to access that. So that can just slip in the bottom as well. Let's just go with what I've got in my current bag. So I've got my Chanel classic card holder. So this one's in the black caviar with silver hardware. It's got the little pocket on the back. Oop! It's got the little pocket on the back. And I've been using this one for a few weeks now. So I'm just going to pop that one in vertically. So you can see that there. And then the final piece I have is my Louis Vuitton Epi 6 ring key holder in black as well. And that is pretty much, that's all of my essentials. That's everything that I would take, and it fits beautifully in there. So I'm just going to do that up. I think this bag is actually going to like really soften up and be really easy to do up. That was easy with one hand. I'm sure it will get easier as we get acquainted. So I can't tell you how excited it was to chase this bag down. This is what I love about luxury handbags, is that when you fall in love, you go on the hunt and you've got to try and find those unicorns, those pieces that are hard to find, that you can't find anywhere, that don't exist. And I tried all of the avenues, and it was just lucky that I found it on eBay in Melbourne. So in Australia, I think I would have been much more hesitant to purchase if it had have been outside of the country, just because of the challenges around shipping and all of the things that can go wrong. But how lucky am I? I am a lucky lady. Thanks for tuning in and watching this video. What do you think of my little tambourine? She is a beauty, if you ask me. I do not have any silhouettes remotely similar to this in my collection. I've obviously got my Petite Bout Chapeau, and I have my Louis Vuitton handbag, which is also over in the cabinet over there. But this one reminds me of old school Louis Vuitton with a modern update, and yeah, I'm in love. If you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Sundays, so I will see you next time. Bye.